Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got Lottie in at the studio. She got a new bodysuit. She really wants to do a shoot in it for her folio. And Peter's had a look at it and decided he wants to do a kind of different lighting to what he normally would do. Still going to use one light, but he's going to use some scrims and some bounce and see what they can create together.
So I'm just in the studio with Lottie. We're just going to do a quick shoot. She wants a bodysuit, black high heels on a white tight look. So you're just going to see me build it with maybe lighting, not what you'd expect for me to use. So I'll just get Lottie into a spot. I haven't even marked your spot yet. So across this way a bit more, and I reckon back a bit, just before the curve, about there. And maybe this way a touch. Yeah, cool. Yeah, I reckon about there. That's really cool. I'm certain this will be underexposed. It is. What I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get a nice light shadow down below her knees and wash out the shadow behind her. So I know I've got to come up a fair way. So let's just get the power up a little bit. It's actually looking quite cool. Now I'm going to put the light up even higher. I'm just going to try a few different. Cool. What I'm trying to look for is I want that drop shadow down under her. I don't mind that. I just need to get a little bit more even. So what I want to do is I want to grab the light from the back of the light and shine that into Lottie. And this might not work at all, but I always run a second one below it. Let's see what this gives me. See the extra light that I just put up the top? See the difference that made? So literally what I'm doing, I'm grabbing the bounce light onto here and then sending that back as a fill light. So what I'm going to do now is I just want to take some of the bounce off the floor, turn it into a bit of a reflecting light at the same time. Do it just a bit higher up. Cool. All right, I've got more light on Lottie. All right, I'm just going to see if I can try one other little trick. So my thinking is if I drop now another light, now I'm not going to put a reflector on this, I'm just going to let it bleed everywhere. Try and shine it back in through this scrim so it's traveling very close to the same direction as the other light. Let's see what this does. I haven't created two shadows because the bulk of the lighting is coming from the same direction. I can now most likely turn down the top light a fraction to make my floor not as lit and turn up this light a touch more. Perfect. All right, so now I'm getting much closer. Kabang. Have it. Do you want to get into your position? And I'll just take. Cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Just want to try one more. Yeah, I think I'm loving that. All right. So the one before. Cool. Oh, I'm allowed to do black and white again. Good. You want that chromey sort of look, don't you? That sort of chromey look. I actually like it. You actually like it.
I don't know why I said actually.
You're telling me I did my job?
Yes.
After all of that messing around. Thoughts? Or would you prefer what I had? Or am I asking you too many?
It's a little bit too dark on my skin.
Is that more the look you want?
Yes, love that.
Love that?
Yeah, that's it.
You like?
You like it?
I think so.
We're cooking.
We're cooking. Okay, that was a good half an hour. Wasted? Not wasted. At all, because I spent half an hour getting what I want. Cool, that's cool. Number one, I've now got the model where I want her because she's seen the shot and likes the shot, which means I'm going to get better pictures of her. Cool. Cool, I love that. Awesome. That's really cool. I love how you just go straight into it.
What do you mean?
Maybe the first one or two shoots we did.
Yeah, I was 18.
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's cool. That's really cool.
Are my legs like wide enough and they're still looking too like?
There's no such thing as too wide. 2D makes it, right? So you might think I'm standing wide, but this looks like that. Does that make sense? But I don't want you uncomfortably wide. Cool. Love. I don't need to say much with Lottie, I just leave her go. That's cool, I really like that. I like that, yeah, the attitude there. When you rocked your hip that way, there was a really cool, that's cool. Yeah, so to make it edgier, make it awkward. Does that make sense? Yeah, mostly awkwardest poses look the coolest in fashion. Cool. And then you wear the awkwardness of it. Cool. Nice.
Oh, I like that.
You like that?
I really like that.
I'm just shooting like crazy because... Nice, nice. So tighten every muscle in your body now. Just tight like you're at gym. I like that sort of, I don't know if you've ever done the workouts where you don't have anything, but you push as hard. So try and do that with every muscle in your body, all right? Cool. Cool. Nice. You like them?
Yeah, they're very cool.
Can you do better?
These are sick. I kind of want to wet my hair.
But I reckon you've done some really cool ones.
Yeah, these are cool. I like them.
But are you thinking really slick wet?
Yeah.
Yeah, I reckon too.
I feel like
What about if we do you a coat of sunscreen?
Yes.
And then spray some water over the top so it beads?
Yes.
Yes?
That's cool. Yeah, let's do that.
Let's do that.
Yeah, these are sick though. I want like these, but like wet. I like
Right,
it.
cool.
All right. So wait, wet my hair?
Well, yeah, well, I'll...
Wet my hair first?
Yep. Okay, so we just wet Lottie's hair and sprayed some water on her body, but we first put some... You can't buy it, unfortunately, anymore. It was by Banana Boat. It is it's that one. You can buy it in America, but it's different. When you spray this on in America, it comes out white creamy. This comes out dead clear, and it puts an amazing shimmer. So if you can find the illegal one, it is by far the best. Yeah, the shine's coming up all over.
You know what else is good? The Neutrogena one, the aerosol one.
Oh, I haven't seen that.
Really good.
Is that clear like that?
Clear, yeah, it's awesome.
Yeah, it's the clear that makes it work. Cool. Cool. Love. Now you had your hands back where you had it before, and you just leant further forward. Like, that's it, yeah, cool. Broken, remember I said broken? Stuff that just doesn't feel quite right becomes the best fashion posing. Cool, cool. Nice, nice. I love that. Just gonna double check that I'm happy. That's really cool. I think you'll really like them. Yeah, all right, cool. Nice, I love that grabbing of the foot. Cool, cool. Nice. Nice, I love the arm behind the back like that too. Cool, cool. Love. Nice, nice. Cool. Nice, nice. No, love, love, love. Nice, nice. Cool. Yeah, wide like that, but not towards the camera. Perfect. Yeah, cool. See how it gives you an attitude? It's that thing I was speaking to you about before. You do something that makes you feel something, that's a shot. If it doesn't make you feel, it's not a shot. That's cool. I like that. I like that a lot. That's really, yeah, cool. Nice. All right, we've got to have it.
So we hope you guys enjoyed that and it was helpful and educational. Please don't forget that if you did like this and you do want to see more in-depth lighting tutorials, we have a heap of them over on Inspire. There will be a link down below and we hope to see you over there.